Hi. My name is Denish Jani. Please sit there. My name is Denish Jani. With all of my friends, all my classmates. He's my enemy as well. But I would like to introduce with them one by one. Please, Mr. Harry, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah. Hello. This is Harry, and I'm very health conscious, and I always keep the toothpaste in my pocket. Always keep the toothpaste in my pocket. Always keep the toothpaste in my pocket. Whenever I have the lunch, dinner, and whatever, I clean my teeth every time. Okay, thank you.
Okay, now you would like to Mr. Peng introduce yourself.
Okay, I'm Peng. Hi.
Hi.
I don't know.
Okay. Mr. Peng, don't worry, I'm with you here. Just try to introduce yourself. Don't worry. Don't worry.
You can use it now.
Yes. You know, Hindi chini bye bye. Don't worry, sit here. No worries. Mr. Peng, okay. I think Mr. Peng is not interested in it. It is still on.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God.
Keep it on.
Okay. Oh,
Still
Monica, would you like to introduce yourself, please?
Be honest, I don't know them.
Okay.
I'm more stranger than I think.
Okay, and what about Rian?
He's mad. He's mad.
Okay.
Magic.
Who is mad?
Harmeet.
Harmeet, yes. Here is the Harmeet. The man Harry is Harmeet. Okay. Now, Ryan, would you like to tell us about yourself?
Myself?
Yes.
I'm mad.
You're a man. Okay, you're a man. And where are you from?
I'm from nowhere.
From Norway. Very good, Mr. Ryan. Nice to meet you. And what about Mr. Harshal? Would you like to introduce yourself?
I'm the boss of this mad persons.
Okay.
I'm the king of madness.
Okay.
Alright? And he's my guru. What? Yeah. He's my sir who taught me madness.
Madness, right.
And he is my best friend who made me mad.
Mr. Peng! Mr. Peng, okay.
And she is the under 16 girl.
Okay.
I'm the student of Sunderland University.
Oh yeah.
From today.
From today,
Because
okay.
till yesterday I was a student of Ethames graduate school. This is called as heroin.
Heroin, okay.
And I will give to my best friend,
Peng.
Mr. Peng, who is doing supportive activity of madness with me. Alright? Everyone should come.
Okay.
Now this is Mr. Harmeet Singh. No worries, he's already mad.
Yeah, I'm already.
Sorry, I will
Monica.
give you at last.
At last.
Don't worry, I will bring some.
He's my king of madness.
king.
Yeah.
No,
No,
don't
take
worry, I will
focus
bring
of
some.
both of us.
No, don't say my face.
Yeah.
Okay?
I will.
Okay,
Alright.
sorry.
Okay, no worries. Bye.
Now, Monica.
Full, everyone should come. And this
Myself what?
is a heroine. No, don't do. Do in group.
Okay.
You have it. It's a medicine.
Okay.
Yeah.
And Denish Jani.
Yeah, come on.
Oh yeah.
Don't come too close, man. Just go there. Don't come too close.
I'm not. You are coming close.
Okay. Okay. What I do, I keep something with me always, like a spoon, so I can eat anything, anytime from anyone, right?
Sorry, I just eat my sandwich.
Oh my God. Okay. And especially for sandwich, I always keep for sandwiches only tomato ketchup with me. Tomato ketchup with me.
Which company is this? It's a.
It's a Tesco, no one is there.
Yeah, good.
Maybe a Chinese company.
So if someone offers me sandwich,
Have a
I
seat.
just take my ketchup out and eat it. That's how
You
I
eat
do.
it?
If you don't have you just know something, ask me. I got it as well.
You eat it? Alright.
What else I can? If you want to play, tell me.
Another guy is
I got.
don't
No one says, well.
No, after finishing him. After finishing him.
You can start playing, bro.
I will also come in this. Yeah. Here's Denish Jani. Denish Jani.
Yeah.
He's showing something.
Nothing now, man. Finished.
Finished?
Yes.
Alright.
I finished.
Yeah, he's Mr. Peng.
My
Again,
bag, you can find
the
everything.
king of madness. He's
you
my
again got-
great friend.
Not expected.
And he's Mr. Peng.
Okay.
Yeah, king of madness. He's Harmeet Singh, you know very
Go
well.
there.
She is a very beautiful girl. Under 10.
Under 16.
Under 10, I said.
Ah, 16. It's
Oh,
alright.
that-
Okay, crazy full.
Now we can start. Sorry.
You guys are laughing now. This is not a matter of love. Actually, no. This is our second last class. And after this class, there will not be any opportunity to meet this mad friend, this mad Monica, and that mad. What is wrong?
Don't cry, my son, don't cry.
I'm not going to stop.
It will not be easy to forget these all guys because these are all
Don't worry, we will be still waiting. Yes. No worries.
I'm serious, man. I'm crying seriously.
Okay. I totally forgot.